how long is the Kraken waiting period? Intro. Hey everyone, being caught in a game of cat and mouse with a mythical sea monster, a creature of legend whose power and ferocity are only matched by its elusive nature. Hook. Have you ever wondered how long you'd have to wait before the Kraken would finally strike? How long is the Kraken's waiting period? Context. The Kraken, a creature of Norse mythology, is often depicted as a colossal sea serpent capable of sinking entire ships. But what many people don't realize is that the Kraken isn't just a mindless beast, it's a patient hunter, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. So, how long does the Kraken wait? Let's dive into the depths of mythology and try to uncover the answer. Historical accounts. One of the earliest historical accounts of the Kraken comes from the 13th century Icelandic manuscript Konungssaga. In this text, the Kraken is described as a monstrous sea creature that could cause a storm by simply moving. Later accounts, such as those of the 16th century Norwegian bishop Erik Pontoppidan, paint a similar picture of the Kraken as a colossal sea serpent that could sink entire ships. Theories on the Kraken's waiting period. While these historical accounts provide us with a glimpse into the Kraken's nature, they don't offer a definitive answer to the question of how long its waiting period is. Some theories suggest that the Kraken's waiting period is determined by the size and location of its prey. Larger ships might attract the Kraken more quickly than smaller vessels, and areas with high levels of shipping activity could also be more likely to attract its attention. Another theory is that the Kraken's waiting period is influenced by its mood. On some days, the Kraken might be more aggressive and impatient, while on others it might be more lethargic and content to wait. The role of folklore and mythology. It's important to remember that the Kraken is a creature of folklore and mythology. As such, its behavior is not governed by the laws of nature. The Kraken's waiting period can be as long or as short as the storyteller wants it to be. In some tales, the Kraken might strike immediately after a ship enters its territory. In others, it might wait for months or even years before making its move. The Kraken's impact on human culture. Despite its elusive nature, the Kraken has had a profound impact on human culture. It has been featured in numerous works of literature, art, and film, and it continues to capture the imagination of people around the world. The Kraken's enduring popularity is likely due to its status as a symbol of both fear and wonder. It is a creature that inspires both dread and awe, and its ability to disappear into the depths of the ocean adds to its mystique. Conclusion. So, how long is the Kraken's waiting period? The answer is, it depends. The Kraken's behavior is influenced by a variety of factors, including the size and location of its prey, its mood, and the storyteller's imagination. One thing is certain, the Kraken is a patient hunter, and it is always on the lookout for its next meal. So, if you find yourself sailing the seas, keep a sharp eye out for signs of the Kraken. And remember, even the most experienced sailors may not be able to escape its wrath. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, may the Kraken's wrath never find you.